Yo, Invent Animate is a big deal for my channel because it was pretty much that one band that made people notice my channel. I owe a lot to Invent Animate, and I'm so happy that they are back with a new song and a music video. Fall Like Rain. I don't really have any expectations for this. I mean, their EP with Silent Planet was absolute fire. Instead of all this yapping, you know what you came here to watch, so let's fucking do it. Wow. Lovely hearing his vocals again. I'm very excited. Alright. Oh! They're too good. Oh my god. I apologize for not saying much, it's just I'm trying to take it all in. And I'm trying to headbang at the right places. But I need to turn this up a lot. There we go. Oh, yeah. Dog, these guys are so fucking talented, it's stupid. Dude, I love these guitars so much. Oh! Oh yeah. What a fun breakdown. Was that it? Okay, I see. Dude, what a way to fucking return. So the thing about Invent Animate is that when you listen to them, there's just so much happening that it's kind of hard to come with good input about what's going on because there's so much going on. This is definitely interesting. I'm liking the kind of darker sounds they have. I appreciate hearing blast beats in there. What I would think would be like the main breakdown of this song would be that part where I was like, this is a fun breakdown. It wasn't such a complicated breakdown, which was like a breath of fresh air compared to all the other breakdowns they have in here. I mean, guitar work is stupid, drumming is stupid, singing is fucking incredible. Like, there is not a single bad thing I can say about Invent Animate. I'm thinking that because they brought us a new song, there might be a new album in the works. I mean, I know there's a new album in the works, but it might be coming soon, do you know what I mean? We are definitely going to be covering that new album and all the next releases for Invent Animate on this channel. Low-key, I gotta share a little secret with you guys. I'm a little hungover today, but nothing is stopping me from getting these reactions out. Thank you so much for watching my reaction to the new Invent Animate song. We're so back, baby. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, consider leaving a like, maybe even a comment. If you have not seen my reactions to Invent Animate, I have done reactions to every single album because I love the fan base and I love Invent Animate. Thank you again, and I hope to see you, yes you, very soon. Bye-bye.